Welcome to the Sales Wave AI training video series. This tutorial will show you how to add products in Sales Wave AI. Go to the left menu and click on Products. Now click on Add Products. Now add all the required details. Like name, category, description of your product. Now add product. You can add products from your local or external URL or choose one from your local. Now click on Save and your product will be listed on the Products page. Your all added products will be listed here. Here you can get your product URL. Or update your product. You can also change your product status. Thanks for watching the video.